I received a question from an Atom3D user that got to this point in the Alibre Beginner series, video number 34, and said, great, I finished this in video 34. What do I do in video 35 since Atom3D won't Boolean this arm for a pattern? So let's go through how to set up this model for Atom use and patterning things using the tools available in Alibre Atom. Really only a few minor adjustments to our tree. First, I'll edit my sketch here. And I'm going to choose an offset. And we'll flip direction. I'll trim my sketch now. And now that we've trimmed out the unnecessary sketch, we have a profile that looks just like it were shelled. We'll do the same thing for our revolution. Once again, offset, flip, and trim. Okay. And notice up here I am using Atom3D to replicate this workflow. We can take this all the way down again, and the only thing that broke in my tree is this shell. Next, how do we pattern this? Well, first off, when I go to pattern this as a circular pattern, there's one thing I want to be cognizant of, and it's this little raised area right here. I'll select everything in my tree to pattern. And I'll choose my center. I'll give this 5 here. And so when we revolve that sketch that cut out our ribs to the level that we want, you can see that most of our arms don't have this little raised area here anymore that should look like this. So this is extrusion number 10 and extrusion 11, at least in my tree, that's what they show up as. And we'll want to make sure that these are patterned properly. So I'll take 10 and 11, and I'm going to drag them after the pattern. And of course our pattern here turns red because it says, oh no, there's some features that I don't have anymore. So I'll go ahead and edit this, and when I do, it just knows to omit the missing parts and redoes the pattern. Now I have the right part here, so I'll simply circular pattern 11 and 10 once again. Just like that. Next, I'll want to generate that part that I shelled out in video number 35. So I'll activate a sketch here. And I'll choose to project this arc and this arc. This is the sketch that I made at the end of video number 34. We'll maintain association. And now I can offset the two arcs that I made, and I believe in that I made a thickness of 0.25, and flip my direction. Create two lines to close off our sketch here. Deactivate and run an additive revolve. Just like that. And that should put us in the same position in Atom3D as we were in Expert. So if you are not able to follow along with an Expert workflow, there's a lot of hope for workflows that just make this work, whether you're using Atom or anything else. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.